Alright, what a day. Well, it is morning, 6 a.m. We are here. We're in Maui. Second day here.
Just good, buddies.
We got TP just in case, because you never know what's gonna happen. Oh, this is our whip for the day. Got a little Beamer. TP in the corner.
You tuck that in for good night right there.
Just in case Wesley needs to do a squatty potty.
You never know, dude. Might have to.
Look at this thing. Oh shit.
I have the map.
Sound.
Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say.
All right, first stop is this black sand beach we found, and to be honest, it's kind of mid.
Mid?
Kind of mid, right? The spot.
What?
You know, the
Kinda
spot.
mid?
This beach. No, good views, but not much going on here. It's just a beach with black sand. So, but we got a ton of other cool spots coming. We got waterfalls, cliff jumping spots by waterfalls, massive waterfalls, tiny waterfalls, a lot of waterfalls basically, and just it's overall just a really sick, like, cool road to travel on, to be honest. So yeah, this is the road to Hana. All right, we just parked, going to Three Bears Falls. Hawaii views are just so incredible, bro. Ooh, we got a little waterfall right here. All right, time to figure out how we get down. Dude, is this even possible? This looks really steep, bro. Let's see if this is doable. Ooh. Wow, we made it down here. All right, so we have made it to the falls. Woo-hoo! We made it. This spot is crazy. Let's get in the water, bro. Three Bears Falls! Woo! Inside the waterfall! We're climbing out of the tunnel, making our way back. It's parkour. We are walking back now. That was Three Bears. That was pretty cool. Time to go hit some more waterfalls, some more hikes, some more good views. And that is what the road to Hana is about. Another waterfall. Waterfall 2. Cliff jumping waterfall this time. So yeah, boys are out here. Gonna do a quick little cliff jump. That's how we roll. Here we go. Big backflip guy. That was sick, bro.
Not too bad.
Was that your first time jumping with a waterfall?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, that's mine too. Let's go. All right, we are back going to Venus Pools right now, which is like a big pool right next to the ocean. So
I got a coconut.
Should be pretty sick. This guy has a coconut.
We're gonna bust this open. I'm gonna be like Tom Hanks in Castaway. I hear the liquid inside of it. It's going with me.
Interesting. I think we're here. I can see it. Ooh. This is Venus Pools. Pretty sick area. Let's go, Westy. This is your average YouTube tutorial how to open a coconut.
So I got this rock with like a sharp edge on it. Oh, dude. It worked. I can see the liquid. Should
Part
I have
Hawaiian?
the first taste?
Let's see it.
Yeah, that's definitely coconut water. I just never really liked coconut water, but it tastes just like the that you get from the store.
Can you like pick some out? Like it looks yellow.
I'm pretty sure that is normal.
Chat, does yellow coconut water, is that bad?
It tastes fine though, honestly.
No, it tastes like what coconut water is.
Really? What?
Oh, that's disgusting.
I mean, I don't really drink coconut water, I guess.
Yeah, it looks a little nasty, bro.
It's all about the adventure, you know? It's all about like the experience of just opening the coconut.
There you go. All right, absolute last stop now. Road to Hana. Ooh. Yeah, this was worth the stop. This is sweet. All right, that is it. End of the video. Road to Hana.
Solid day. Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.